Hey, what's up, chemistry people? It's Mr. Boylan, and today we're going to talk about how we can identify and describe the various characteristics of atoms and their subatomic particles. We're going to focus today on isotopes, which we introduced in the last class. But as you take a quick look here, just a quick reminder that atoms of the same element may have different numbers of neutrons. These are known as isotopes. As you take a look at the screen here, you've got two examples of atoms of boron. Both the atom on the left and the atom on the right are examples of atoms of boron, and we can understand that because each of them has 5 protons and the atomic number for boron is 5. However, there are different isotopes of boron because they have different numbers of neutrons. As you take a look at the atom of boron on your left, we've only got 5 neutrons, giving the total mass of the isotope on the left a mass of 10. As you take a look at the isotope on the right, we've got 6 neutrons, giving us a total mass of 11. So a couple of just quick conventions here. If we're talking about the same element, how are we going to distinguish between the different isotopes? We will use those mass numbers to help us identify which isotope it is that we're talking about. So you may see things that look like this, carbon 14. That's not a minus sign, it's not a negative, it's just a dash, separating the name from the mass number itself. So carbon 14 is how we would read that. As you take a look at these two examples that we saw on the previous screen, you can see the names for the two isotopes there. Boron 10 indicating the mass of the boron atom on the left, and boron 11 indicating the mass of the atom of boron on the right. And again, those distinctions come from the different numbers of neutrons that each of those atoms possess. You should also be familiar with the nuclide symbol when expressing or describing isotopes. In the nuclide symbol, the mass number is written above the symbol of the element, and the atomic number is written below the symbol. Just gives us a little more information without having to reference the periodic table. But again, your mass number in the nuclide symbol is written above the symbol for your element. The atomic number is written below the symbol for your element. And again, just remember your atomic number is your number of protons. Your mass number is the sum of your protons and your neutrons.